opening the new 2021 convention kit. Here we go. First thing we have right here is Evolve Connection 2021. Let's see what's inside. On Guard Plus chewable tablets.
What?
Sorry. We have laundry pods, cleansing laundry pods infused with doTERRA Abode.
It's the new blend. The new blend.
There's dishwasher pods from doTERRA Abode.
That's so cool.
Oh, they have
doTERRA Abode hand lotion. Refill.
Wow.
Nice.
That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this. This is the Deep Blue Stick plus Copaiba.
Oh,
And
wow.
my mom has told me about this. I'm so excited.
The new pain stick, Elizabeth.
That's so cool.
Body.
Mm-hmm.
Carrier oil blend body.
Nice.
That's cool. Stickers. Oh, the new oils.
Stickers.
You want the new oils? I can't wait to smell them. I want to smell I want to smell Abode.
There is Heidi.
Mmm. Smell it. Open it. Yeah. And hand it to Elizabeth. Let her smell too. Sure you can.
It's really like,
Yummy.
it's like vanilla and cinnamon.
Mmm.
This is the Copaiba.
Copaiba. Yeah, you got it.
Copaiba.
Yeah, they put it in a touch.
Nice.
What is that one?
Osmanthus.
Smell that one. Open it. If anything smells wonderful, it's that one.
That's a flower, isn't it?
Mhm.
Osmanthus?
Yeah,
That's like a
that's
rose.
what heaven smells like.
The next one
Roll
is
it on.
Madagascar vanilla.
This is real vanilla.
That smells good.
Mm.
That smells really
Madagascar.
good. Here you go.
Oh.
You like that one?
Tulsi, holy basil.
Oh, we've got some of that already.
We do.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It smells like basil.
Holy basil. I'll put
This
that
is
around my
the-
ear.
This is the Abode.
Oh gosh, I can't wait. I want to smell that one so
Is it
bad. Yeah, it's brand new.
What is it?
It's Abode. Yeah, they did a bunch of scientific studies with how it kills like everything. Yeah, mm-hmm.
Smells
Huge.
like lemongrass.
Does it really?
Straight up lemongrass.
Other people say that it smells like Purify with a hint of something.
Yeah.
Do you like that one?
Sensitive skin.
You like it? Hold on, let's get Elizabeth's take on it. What do you like about it?
It smells like a bunch of them combined. Like
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
wild orange and lemongrass.
Mm-hmm.
This is sensitive skin carrier oil blend.
Nice! We have a sensitive skin carrier oil. It's a blend. I know, right?
Multi-purpose surface cleanser concentrate. doTERRA Abode. I like the new Abode stuff. It's
Yeah.
really pretty. Foaming hand wash Abode.
Ooh.
Is there two types of Abode? One is pink sometimes. One is black.
Oh, that one's also got citrus bloom in it.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
This is a big Abode. Every time I say Abode, I think of humble Abode.
Mm-hmm. It is. It's a humble abode, right?
Liquid
That's
dish soap Abode.
what?
We got all the house products now.
Why is it so cool?
And then we have the
Because they're
doTERRA-
made out of recyclable aluminum.
We have the doTERRA Product Guide Fall 2021.
We'll put that right in the middle. And Brianna, is there anything else in that big box?
Oh yeah, there's a big doTERRA Abode. Your home is an ecosystem. Feeling good about the products you bring into it doesn't have to come with compromises. Made for the conscious consumer, Abode delivers efficiency, sustainability, and aesthetic value naturally. No compromises. Surface spray, hand lotion, hand wash, dish soap.